In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Likert scale in Google Forms. A Likert scale is that familiar set of options like strongly disagree to strongly agree, or very dissatisfied to very satisfied. It's great for surveys when you want people to rate their opinion or experience on a clear, consistent scale. In this walkthrough, we'll build one directly inside Google Forms, step by step. First, open Google Forms in your browser. You can either start a brand new blank form or open an existing form if you're adding the scale to something you've already created. At the top, give your form a title and a short description so people know what the survey is about and how their responses will be used. Clear context at the beginning helps respondents answer more thoughtfully. Next, we'll add the Likert style question. On the right side of the form editor, click the plus icon to add a new question. In the question field, type the statement or prompt you want people to rate. For example, I find this training helpful, or the website is easy to use. Likert scales work best with clear, single-idea statements, so avoid combining multiple ideas in one sentence. Now, open the question type drop-down menu and choose Multiple Choice Grid or Checkbox Grid, depending on whether you want people to select only one option per row or allow multiple selections. For a standard Likert scale, Multiple Choice Grid is usually the best choice because it limits each row to just one answer. In the Rows section, enter each statement you want to be rated, one per line. These might be different aspects of your service, product features, or experience categories. Think about grouping related items and keeping the wording consistent, so it's easier to compare answers later. In the Columns section, enter the scale labels, such as strongly disagree, disagree, neutral, agree, and strongly agree. Make sure the order of the scale is logical, from negative to positive or from low to high. You can also use numbers with labels, like 1, very dissatisfied, through 5, very satisfied, if you plan to analyze results numerically. Before you finish, click the 3 dots in the bottom right corner of the question and turn on the setting that restricts respondents to one response per row if you're using a multiple choice grid. Then, use the preview button at the top to see exactly how your Likert scale will appear. If everything looks good, your Likert scale in Google Forms is ready to share.